This is the leaf of life. In Liberia, we call it everlasting leaf. And this leaf is a powerful leaf. It's a herbal remedy that treats respiratory conditions such as asthma, cold, flu, cough, shortness of breath, bronchitis, and etc. etc. It treats so many diseases. It's a powerful leaf. It can be consumed with tea. It can be blended into juices, and it can be consumed raw too. You can eat it raw. It's very good. This is it. I'm growing it. Very soon I will be selling it also. This is the original from the motherland, Liberia, West Africa. And this is Lazy Mama and Liz kitchen.